If you ever wanted to take care of your hair in the past few years, you may have heard the name of Olaplex, a brand that started its journey a few years back and has become one of the most renowned and famous brands for hair care. The brand started its journey with someone who has a long relationship with the hair industry. The CEO and the founder of Olaplex is Dean Crystal, whose mother was a licensed hairdresser, and so he knew the needs of hairdressers. Dean met with Dr. Hawker and Dr. Eric Presley in Presley's garage in Santa Barbara. That's when Olaplex got its life in a California garage full of surfboards, lawn chairs, and lab equipment with two scientists who had never worked in the hair industry. In 2014, when Olaplex launched, it changed the hair care industry forever. The founders knew the product would find its true value only in the hands of professional hairdressers. So, the product was only sold to them. But in 2018, Olaplex was launched for consumers all over. Now, Olaplex uses its patented Olaplex technology, and the ingredient that made the dramatic change is bis-aminopropyl diglycol diamylate. The ingredient is patented by Olaplex. Usually, after hair bleach, pollution, or thermal activities, the hair gets damaged. That's when the patented technology restores the damaged and compromised hair and gives you healthy, beautiful, and shiny hair. If you look at the products of Olaplex No.1 Blonde Multiplier and Olaplex No.2 Bond Perfector, these are called gold standard liquid for salon services. Due to their special chemical formulation, they are only used in the hair salons and you will not be able to buy them from their website. Then comes the Olaplex No.3 Hair Perfector at Home Bond Builder Treatment. Its patented technology will visibly reduce breakage and strengthen your hair. Moreover, it will repair your damaged hair while balancing your pH level. Olaplex also has a No.4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and No.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner for regular hair wash. They have the same Olaplex technology, which repairs and maintains your hair. The shampoo creates luxurious lather without harsh sulfates, and the conditioner does not weigh down your hair. These products are perfect for all hair types. The brand has also come up with a new shampoo for those with blonde hair. It's the Olaplex No.4P Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. This highly concentrated purple shampoo not only repairs your hair, but also neutralizes braziness. Moreover, it boosts brightness after one use. The line also comes with Olaplex No.6 Bond Smoother, which is a unique styling product. It's a highly concentrated leave-in styling cream that allows you to style while avoiding frizz. It also eliminates the flyaway for 72 hours and is one of the perfect products for styling your hair and avoiding damage. Now, you cannot just think of a hair care brand minus a great styling oil. The main job oil does is to hydrate your scalp. But Olaplex No.7 Bonding Oil is a highly concentrated weightless oil. It increases the shine of your hair while minimizing the flyaways. Moreover, the Olaplex No.7 not only protects your hair from UV rays, but also gives heat protection for up to 232 degrees Celsius. After all this, if you're searching for a product for extreme lifeless hair, then the Olaplex No.0 Intensive Bond Building Treatment might be a great option to opt for. It works as a primer before using Olaplex No.3. It's perfect for those who want extreme hydration and life in the hair. Olaplex is innovating new kinds of products daily, and they have recently come up with a new product which is Olaplex No.8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. The mask is a multi-benefited, highly concentrated reparative mask. It ensures intense moisture and makes hair so healthy you can skip the styling without worrying a bit. Olaplex's unique patented technology with visible results has made the brand a revolutionary one in the hair care industry. Moreover, Olaplex used the influencers marketing strategy by promoting the hairstylists and influencers who use Olaplex products. Celebrity hairstylist Joseph Orozco uses Olaplex No.3 for his own hair. Moreover, renowned hairstylist Guy Tang also uses Olaplex for coloring and disastrous hair. All these make Olaplex a one-of-a-kind brand. Even though Olaplex is a revolutionary brand, its unique patented system keeps its price tag high. So, It's not a product that would be affordable to your pockets, but spending those heavy bucks surely does good to your hair. So, we hope you'll be getting your hands on at least one of these products the next time you shop for your hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.